In 2022, the Vital Strategies Food Policy Program supported partners to advocate for healthy food policies. Together, our communication partners ran 16 communication campaigns on food policy issues that reached more than 260 million people. In South Africa, Community Media Trust's Better Labels, Better Choices campaign for front-of-package labels reached more than 20 million people and generated 58 media pieces. Amandla Mobe's Why the Closed Door Meetings digital campaign on industry interference reached more than 1.2 million people and encouraged 8,000 people to sign their petition. Daily Maverick published 10 investigative journalism articles and launched a new food justice podcast, What's Eating Us? In Brazil, ACT Health Promotion's Sweet Poison campaign for tax on sugary drinks reached more than 60 million unique users. IDEC and ACT's Don't Swallow This industry interference campaign reached over 40 million people. Their campaign website gained 14,000 clicks from supporters and generated 8 media pieces. In October, Brazil then introduced front-of-package warning labels after 8 long years of consistent advocacy work by IDEC, the Alliance for Healthy and Adequate Food, and Brazilian civil society partners. In Jamaica, the Heart Foundation of Jamaica published an influential opinion piece on the need for a sugary drinks tax and highlighted the impact of mass media campaigns on support for policy in the peer-reviewed journal Nutrients. The organization also launched a front-of-package warning labels campaign titled Protect Our Children's Health, reaching over 1.4 million unique Facebook users. In Barbados, the government increased the tax on sugary drinks from 10 to 20% and was effective from April 2022. The Heart and Stroke Foundation of Barbados launched its Out of Our Schools campaign to build public support for the healthy school nutrition policy recently approved by the Cabinet of Barbados. In the Caribbean region, the Healthy Caribbean Coalition HCC launched its first regional industry interference campaign across 13 Caribbean countries and reached more than 4.6 million unique users on Facebook. In Colombia, a tax on sugar-sweetened beverages and octagonal front-of-package labels were approved. Red Papa's Healthy Taxes Now campaign generated 10,000 signatures of support and reached almost 20 million people. Their front-of-package warning labels campaign titled Paquete Minister received 340 voice messages and reached more than 15 million people. Kahar's 4-week digital campaign on industry interference Seat at the Table reached almost 1.5 million unique users. Vorahine published 7 investigative journalism articles, 2 podcasts, and 3 videos. The Food Policy Program has 2 peer-reviewed research papers published, 4 papers presented at international conferences, 4 new fellows enrolled under the Healthy Food Fellowship Program, 4 insightful capacity strengthening webinars, 4 message testing studies, and 2 campaign evaluation studies conducted, and 26 articles on food policy program projects featured in global publications. Vital Strategies congratulates all partners and team members for their tremendous work and making 2022 a successful year.